Hello, are you using the $7,500 forgivable free zero interest loan from IHDA to sell homes today? If you're not, you're really missing out on a whole new group of buyers that don't know about this. Anybody making less than $88,000, a single person who's never bought in the last 3 years, can get into a condo or home using the IHDA loan as a second mortgage. So imagine a buyer buying a property for $300,000, putting down 5%, having a credit score in the 600s, and DTI around 45%. They can then buy this particular property with 5% down. We put the $7,500 behind that, cutting that down payment in half, and we have the seller pay for their closing costs up to 3% of the purchase price. That's going to be plenty of money to cover any closing costs and escrows that this buyer will need to buy. What that means is that your buyer net gets into the property with about 2.5% out of pocket. However, at the closing table, of course, they're going to get a real estate tax credit, and that'll be equal to about 1.5% of the purchase price. So net, they're going to need about 1% out of pocket, or $3,000 in this example, to buy a $300,000 condo or home. Then what happens? Well, over the next 10 years, if that property appreciates at just 2%, that property will be worth $366,000. In addition, the $285,000 that they took out on the first mortgage, that will be paid down to $227,000 in 10 years. The difference is $139,000. But wait, it gets better still. Remember, there's income tax deductions for mortgage interest, real estate taxes, and PMI. All of that, let's say, adds up to $20,000 over 10 years. So now we're talking about $159,000 to $160,000 of income tax avoidance and net worth, all with $3,000 out of pocket 10 years ago. If you put your clients in that kind of position and you tell them that story, and I'd be happy to do that with you, I have a bunch of tools to help you with that, I guarantee you're going to get more deals this year than you normally would. I'm going to be doing webinars and seminars in your area, and I'd be happy to meet with you one-on-one as well with any clients you have to explain this on any weekend or night, and we can do some seminars for you specifically. This is Chris Chambers at Guaranteed Rate. I can be reached at 773-290-0330. Give me a call or email me at chris.chambers@guaranteedrate.com. Bye for now.